Hello, my friends, Gene here. I just wanted to share with you a tool that I'll officially be releasing pretty soon. It's called Glassbox. Glassbox is a tool that helps look at telemetry from agents. Okay, it speaks the standard, or rather, it accepts the standard OpenTelemetry, and it's simply just a trace analyzer. So think of it this way. You go and you ask your chatbot a question and you hit enter, and what happens? Where does it go, right? What does the model do? What did the model know when you asked the question? What did the model learn after you asked the question? Did it call the skill properly? Did it pass the parameters properly to the skill script? We can go on and on and on, right? What memories does it have? Is the context getting bloated? All these things are important things you need to know when you're trying to analyze and debug agents. And I really wanted to know. So anyway, I built this tool called Glassbox. Now, what Glassbox does is it allows you to do exactly like I said. You can come in here and take a look at, this one will work. LLM Scout. What it allows you to do is monitor the traces that are being sent out of an agent. This is an example of that. And what you're looking at here are all the different parts of the, let's call it conversation, that the model is having. What it's thinking, where was the persona added, right? Okay. Then, the doctrine, the memories that are in there, what tools were called. You can break down the entire process and see exactly what's being sent into the model and what the model's doing, what it's thinking, what tools it's calling. You can communicate with it with a copilot, ask the copilot questions, have copilot analyze the trace and say, hey, how do I optimize this? Why did the context window fill up? What do I have to change? It's been a huge help for me to learn how agents not only work, but to clean up stuff that's not working correctly. Now, again, I built this to also simply just learn more about OpenTelemetry and how to debug agents. So if we come back here to the start, we type in demo, the product comes with a bunch of training traces. So if we take a look at the Atlas trace and we click on start the lesson, it's actually a guided lesson that'll take you through the trace and teach you just what a trace looks like. It'll give you a scenario. This customer apparently had a budget of $2,000 for a trip, and for some reason the agent booked the trip at $2,100. Why did it go over budget? And it'll take you through the entire trace, right? See how it's highlighting? And teach you exactly what's going on. It's kind of cool. And it's also pretty neat because you can go over here and you can, if you want to, go back here and create your own lessons if you want. So you can maybe share it with someone or build out lessons that you want to learn from. But, it's all kind of cool things inside of Glassbox. This, again, will be officially released pretty soon, but I am looking for some companies that might want to give this a whirl. I always want to, get some feedbacks from people. So if there's anybody out there that would like to get their hands on Glassbox and help me test it out, that'd be huge. Okay, so anyway, Gene here. Hope you like this. Get ready to hear a lot more about Glassbox. It's coming your way. And like I said, if anyone wants to test this out, let me know. I'd be happy to work with you.